In this video, we will reassemble a Webasto Airtop 2000 ST air heater. Replace the new burner tube gasket before installing the burner tube. It's important to note, always use new gaskets when reassembling your Airtop 2000 ST heater. You can use a small pick tool or a screwdriver to align the retaining screw holes. Next, we will reinstall the burner assembly. Apply firm pressure to the fuel line grommet to ensure that it's fully seated. Feed the glow pin wires back through the heat exchanger housing and press the rubber grommet back into place. Don't forget to reinstall the glow pin wire retainer. Align all of the screw holes and reinstall the 4 T20 retaining screws. Loosely start all of the screws before tightening them. Place the new combustion assembly gasket before reinstalling the combustion assembly. Align all of the T25 retaining screws and loosely start them before tightening them. Be sure to reconnect the ground eyelet to the heat exchanger body during this step. Slide the control module back on top of the unit and align the retaining screw holes. Reinstall the 3 retaining screws using the T15 Torx bit. Gently press the temperature sensor back into the heat exchanger. Run all the wires and plug all the connectors back into their keyed locations. You can now reinstall the hot air fan. Reinstall the enclosure by starting with the bottom by aligning the guide pins. Next the top section, and then the end caps followed by the new mount gasket. This concludes the Webasto Airtop 2000 ST air heater assembly.